Morning, Boston Trucker with you. How we doing? Sunday morning. We got a beautiful day. Look at this. It's gonna rain in about 3 hours. Heading to the Big Apple Truck Show down in Rentham, Massachusetts. This will be our 3rd year going down there. Looking forward to it. I'm gonna head down there. We're gonna meet Rosie down there. Gonna have a good time. Let's go. Come on. Come on me. I'm walking backwards. Let's go. Come on. Cue that music. The Boston Trucker here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy it. How are you? That looks awesome, man. Wow. Now these are a couple max. Holy cow. Get the bulldogs facing out. That's so cool. Old school pinstriping. That's Cape Cod style. Cape Cod's got its own style. Cape Cod style pinstriping, right?
Yep.
That's awesome, man. What year is these trucks?
That's an 87, this is an 88.
Wow, man. Croak, the Grumpy Pete. Hey Dean, you get that side, I'll get this side. How are you? Hey John. How you doing? are you, Bill? Looks good, man. Yeah, this is great.
What's going on, Mike?
Morning. How are you? Morning. Morning. Morning.
What's going on?
Massasoit Community College, diesel technology. I went to that school a little bit. Took that diesel technology class. Great class. Over there at Canton, Mass by Blue Hills. No idea they had a tractor. I know what they do with it. Look at you guys. How we doing, buddy? This here is Mac Country. That's a truck, right? GMC Astro.
GMC,
Whoa.
the Detroit.
There you go. That's an idea. We should have had like a.
What's up, guys?
Hey, Mike, how you doing, bro?
How are you? Whoa. 1977, 352. I don't think that's factory. Here comes the rain. 2 hours early. Love this truck.
It looks like it has like an underlying program.
So many trucks.
Oh, look at this guy. You're a cool guy. Hey, what's up?
I am pretty cool.
Hi, Mike.
I'm so cool, I'm not even gonna talk to you.
Good.
Ooh, I like this one, old school. The one guy that left the fairings on the sleeper with the turbo wing. I like it. Very nice. Scaffolding services. Oh, I always like this truck. All nice trucks. There isn't a slouch in the bunch. Canizo Brothers. Getting rain on the camera, so I'm going to do this every once in a while.
Wait, look at this thing.
So you did the right thing.
I wanna write out the blue one.
Last truck show of the year, Rick. Morning, guys.
How you doing?
Hey, good, how are you? The rain's coming down pretty good now. Oh, that's nice.
I have rock climbing.
Slow my roll. It's a Sterling. In this beautiful apple orchard. We're about a week after peak season. Gear Jammer magazine.
That was the other reason. I'm like, I'm tired of looking down the hood. Yep, hopping in that. Yep.
You guys selling any umbrellas?
Hey,
I
Boston
gotta
Trucker.
make Gear Jammer umbrellas.
You need them.
Next year,
Yeah.
it'll probably be sunny every show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Mike.
Nice flat glass. Ooh. Boston Bandit. Hey Rick, how are you? Nice to see you.
You ordered this rain, Mike?
Yeah, I did, yeah. Last show of the year, man. Believe this? Should have had this yesterday. Right?
No. It's the way it's been this year.
Yeah. Hey guys. Large Car Magazine in the house. Hey.
Hey,
How you guys doing?
good. How are you? It's 2023.
How are you? Oh
We
no, I
must be-
destroyed your place.
We must be at a truck show. It's raining.
Right?
Mikey, get my good side.
All right, hold on. Keep going, keep going. All right, we got it. Hey, how are you?
Mike, how are you?
Good, nice to see you.
Brand new.
You ready for part 3?
I didn't even recognize you.
How are you? Nice to see you. How are you, Herb?
Good, good.
Good, good.
got good spots so everybody drive by. I don't even have to go up there.
How you doing, guys? How are you? Hi, how are you?
What's that? Yeah.
Gary Donovan, where are you today? We miss you, buddy. Ooh, I like this. Look at the rain just beating up off the hood. All right, what's going on, Joey?
How's it going, Mike?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. You know, a little bit rainy, but it's fine.
Where's your boss today?
He's up in Maine doing God knows what. Think he's moving the
We
bus
don't want to
out.
know what he's doing up there. Gary, we don't want to know. We'll wait for the video on Facebook.
Yeah.
So you're driving this big rig now, huh?
I'm driving this in our Kenworth T800.
Wow, so you're doing it all.
Yeah, it's just me, the only CDL driver right now.
Really?
Yeah. For the past year, it's been that way.
How hard do they work for?
Gary, I've been friends with Gary for years.
Be honest.
And it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work hard, play hard.
Yeah.
But you couldn't find a better boss than Gary, because like if you treat him well, he's gonna treat you even better. So I get taken care of, and I haven't had one bad thing to say about working for him so far.
Did he pay you to say that?
I'm not gonna disclose that answer.
Now, Gary's a good guy. Real good character.
Oh yeah.
Used to drive this truck Gary drove this truck for years.
It's nice having a boss that's like actually like been in the seat, like had the wheel time, been on the road, because I can bring issues that like I find, or I can kind of talk to him about things that, like I have like issues with on the road, or like anything really. He understands where I'm coming from. So it's good that I have someone to relate to, instead of like you go to a big corporation, your boss has no idea what you're talking about, has no idea what it's like to be behind the wheel, going in city traffic, going over the highway, over the road. Like he actually knows what it's like. He's been through the scales. He's been he's been stuck at a scale and got the wrong DOT officer. He's done it all. So now I have someone I can actually bounce off of, get advice from. Like kind of just learn new things. Like I'm learning something new every day, and I teach him stuff about the newer equipment because he doesn't know about that. But yeah, it's a good time, and also he has a youthful like heart and mind. So it's not, it's never boring. It's not, he may be more advanced in his age, but at least he can talk to us like the younger guys, because it's a lot of
Advanced in his age.
it's all younger guys working for him.
Yeah,
pretty much.
but he's a great mentor.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, he seems like a really good dude.
We do steel plates that go on the road for road work. We do shoring, so aluminum and steel trench boxes. More recently, over the past couple of years, we've gotten into Jersey barriers for the outdoor dining in Boston. Now it's getting into job sites that are building the perimeter around their fences. We're doing that. So tomorrow I'm going into Harvard with 3 trailer loads full of barriers. They're setting that up.
Wow, that's going to be challenging going to Harvard. I was at Harvard yesterday with a family, and it was challenging. Never mind an 18-wheeler.
It's going on North Harvard Street, so at least it's not like tuned into Harvard, but I have brought this thing into Harvard.
It's close enough.
Yeah, it's right there.
That's pretty cool. Everybody, a good driver likes a good challenge like that.
It keeps it fresh, it keeps it interesting. Like, there's guys that are just running over the road, all they have to worry about is like what lane to be in, like what exit to take. But when you're in the city, it's frustrating at times just because people not parking correctly, but it's, at least it keeps it like new.
Yep.
And like when I went to the other job at Harvard, I had to pop down Memorial Drive for a couple seconds.
Oh, you were the guy that hit the bridge.
No, not me.
Oh, not you. Okay. I mean, everybody else. Everybody else.
Everyone else can do it. I know the ways to get off. So I had to pull down. I think it was like Plymouth Street going into Harvard. Had to swing that. Even the detail cop was like, "How did you get down here?" I'm like, "A little bit of hoping and a little bit of praying."
There you go.
And we get it done. But at my last job, I was out in Newton, so we did a lot of city work. So thankfully, I have a lot of experience driving in the worst places in Boston. So when I got here, Gary was like, "Dude, like great job driving through Boston." I'm like, luckily I do it. I've done it literally every day for a year and a half.
Wow. So, how far out do you guys run?
So usually we handle most of the Northeast. A lot of Connecticut we do, a lot of Rhode Island. I've done New Hampshire, couple months ago, I did Cutler, Maine, which is about 30 minutes from the border of Canada.
Okay.
I've been to North Carolina to steel mills.
Okay.
So we go all over. Like before.
So you sleep in the truck once in a while, but not usually.
For legal reasons, I'm gonna say yes. I sleep in the truck.
Gotcha. Nobody's
get a
watching this
hotel.
from the DOT. Don't worry.
Yeah. So I'll sleep in a hotel usually, Gary.
Okay.
Because I have a company card for hotel
that's
expenses, getting meals when I'm over the road. But I usually like to get home just because, again, it's just me, so I got to make sure I can be there for the next day. Because at any moment, a call can come in.
Right, and you got to be available.
I got to be ready to come into work and then go do whatever. Usually.
Is that the hardest thing about working here?
What, it's just...
being on call?
Honestly, the on-call thing, it doesn't happen too often. I mean, there's maybe once every few months I have to come in after work, or there'll be times where I know I have to come in later for night work. Like last summer I was doing a lot of night work for the Feeney brothers, so I'd go home for an hour, come back in, and the nights where we do the barriers, if we're doing those jobs at night, we kind of just either roll with it during the day, but with the Southie traffic and all that, and just trying to make sure, Newberry Street, Tuesday we're doing that at 5 in the morning.
Wow.
Because we have 3 restaurants on Newberry. One's Joe's American, and right there's already the people that have the water barriers. There's construction going on behind it, so that one's always fun. Just because, people hate us after we're doing that one. We're just taking up one of the lanes of traffic, and nobody can do anything about it.
So when you show up on a job, let's say on Newberry Street, and people who are watching who don't know what Newberry Street is, that's like the Rodeo Drive of Boston. It's with the high-end shops and restaurants, Porsches and Lamborghinis, not Peterbilts usually.
Right.
What kind of a crew, or who's there to unload you?
So how we do it is it's the customer's responsibility to have machines there to unload us. We have a non-CDL tow truck that we do very small things with that Gary's son usually handles.
Yep.
But if there's machines on site and no one's there, I'll just take the master key set, I'll jump in, and I'll just unload myself. But it's customer's responsibility to make sure we're unloaded.
Well, that's cool. Well, hey, it was really great talking to you. You take care of this truck yourself?
Yeah, yesterday, 2 of my buddies and I, we spent about 10 hours polishing this thing.
Okay, well, stay on top of it, and next time you'll only have to spend 5 hours. No, it looks good. I'm just kidding.
It was
a joke.
Being the only driver, it's kind of, I try to keep this truck as clean as possible, but with how busy I've been, it's kind of hard to keep up on it.
Let me get out my notebook and pen of excuses, so I can start writing down excuses why you can't keep the truck up, Gary. I'm just kidding. No, this truck always looks good. You guys do an amazing job. Gary's an awesome guy. I wish Gary was here. We missed you today, Gary. You're doing God knows what up in Maine, and we wish you were here.
Yeah.
And one day I want to get a ride in that motorhome and see what's up in there.
It's real nice in there.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Well, hey, thanks for talking to me.
Of course.
All right. There's at least my new favorite Capello truck. Man, look at that. Wow. Hey Chuck, my new favorite truck.
Have a good day.
It's about. Wow, that is nice. Big Anthony. Man, that's New England style for you right there. Look at this. Boston Trucker here.
Boston Trucker here.
That's pretty good. That should just be my. This should be my opening. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good. Nice to meet you.
My wife,
so
her
excited
name
to
is
meet
Brenda.
you.
You are?
Yeah.
We watch all your videos.
I've been
Yeah.
waiting all day.
You have?
She has.
That's great.
Yes.
Hey, thank you for the hat.
No, absolutely.
Blue Links.
You inspire us. I wasn't even gonna show this year.
Really?
And you're like, if you got it, show it.
Dude,
It
tell me-
doesn't matter what it looks like.
Well, tell me about this truck. This is I was really caught my eye when I was coming in here.
Yeah, this is a 79 R model. It's
R model?
R model Mac.
Yeah.
It's,
AR?
600.
Okay. 600. Yep.
This was actually a glider kit back in 79.
Really?
It's got a 237
Yep.
with a turbo, an 8LL, which is rare. It's a splitter
Okay.
with the original Mac rear end.
Yep.
And they call it the full pedigree. That's why it came through with a chrome muffler.
Oh. So has it got the gold bulldog?
Yes, it does. Yep.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Still solid.
Nice. This is gorgeous, man.
Yeah, I got a lot of time into it.
Sweet single axle. Love that grill.
That's actually aftermarket AC.
Yeah?
It's got the shutters behind it, but this was an option with this is the grill for the AC for the.
Wow. That is one cool truck, dude.
Yeah, next year it's gonna look a little different. I got a visor for it.
Oh yeah?
I'm putting dual exhaust, full fenders on it.
Okay.
I did change out the fuel tanks, the battery boxes, but she runs so good. I can get in it and just tap it and it starts right up.
I like it just the way it looks now, maybe with a Mac visor.
Yeah.
Yeah. Less is more sometimes.
True.
This is pretty badass.
Thank you. I
Wow.
appreciate that. I've done a lot of work
gorgeous.
to it.
Yeah.
It's come a long way.
And I have one more question for you.
Yes.
Is it loom or is it topsoil?
Boom.
There you go. Thank you. Yeah, they haul fish. New Bedford, yeah.
They got blown out. Yep. PGT.
It's really coming down now. How are you?
Everything. They
Good,
got
thanks.
cameras in the trunk.
All right, well, love you, Pop. Nice seeing you.
I've been all the way up my ass.
We're on video.
On the TV.
How you doing, buddy? See you next season. electric.
Guys got the best seats.
Yeah.
This is my ex-wife on the front of that truck.
Oh, that's an air horn.
That's the way it's
Oh yeah.
Stay safe.
Hey guys, see you, Rennie.
Good morning. You guys. Stay safe.
Here. I know, right? Really? We get it out of here. See you later, Bill. Really? I'm getting out of here. You giving this to me?
Yeah.
Thank you, Nick.
This morning.
Dude, that's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I've
That's
been driving
awesome.
everybody's.
Very talented. Thank you.
Thanks, Mike.
Take care. tough. It's all mud. Well, we've had quite the chain of events here. The downpours made everything all muddy. Trucks are getting stuck all over the place. I haven't been back to my truck in about 3 hours. People are saying, you better get it out of there. See what happens. We got tractors here. We can just pull them out. All right, we survived another show. Awesome day. A little bit of rain, no big deal. We get out of there. We didn't have too much trouble. Got pretty lucky actually. Got a lockdown, little slid, little sliding. Wasn't too bad. I want to thank Nick Sordillo for making me this awesome picture. I'm going to hang this at home. Nice job, man. That's fantastic. I want to thank Raymond Sawyer for this awesome Blue Links hat. Appreciate that. Thanks for everybody who come up and said hello. It means the world. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. That way you just get notified every time I put up a new video. You never know when that's going to be. Usually once or twice a week at least. And yeah, hey, thank you. Thanks everybody. Last truck show with this truck for me. Next year will be a new truck. Can't wait. All right, peace and grace. We'll see ya.